What is science? Modern age is the age of science. The word science has been derived from the Latin word scientia, which means to know. Man has always been curious to know more and more about things around them. Man has gained a lot of information by continuous observations and experimental studies. So the definition of science would be a systematic organization of knowledge gained by man through observations and experiments. According to the famous scientist Niels Bohr, the task of science is both to extend the range of our experience and reduce it to order. In brief, science is the systematic study of phenomena occurring in the world. Nowadays, science has become so vast that it has been divided into many branches. On the basis of living and non-living things in the world, science has been divided into two main categories: physical sciences and biological sciences. The science which deals with non-living things are called physical sciences, for example, physics, chemistry, geology, astronomy, geography, etc. Whereas in biological sciences, it is one that which deals with living things, for example, zoology, botany.